How to hide Instagram following or followers list. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide your Instagram following or followers list. Now if you open up the app and log into your profile and head into your profile icon that you can find on the bottom right corner of your screen, here you'll be able to see your followers, the number of followers and number of following, and if you tap on it you'll be able to see all your followers and all your following now. How do you hide this? Well, unlike Facebook where you can hide your friends, on Instagram there is no any option where you can hide your followers and following. Anyone that has access to your ID or that can view your profile can easily view your following or followers list. However, if you don't want certain persons to look at your following or followers, then what you can do is you can set your account to private. Now, what this does is if you set your account to private, anyone who is not following you or anyone who does not follow you will not be able to look at your profile or will not be able to look at your followers and following list. Now, if they are following you, however, they will be able to look at it. But if you want to remove them from your followers list, what you can do is tap into followers, and here you can see the person profile here, and beside it you'll find the remove option. So you can remove them from here, and once you do this, if you set your account to private, then they won't be able to look at your follower or following list. Now how do you set your account to private? What you want to do is tap on the 3-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen once on profile, and then tap into settings and privacy and scroll all the way down below, and you'll find the option account privacy. Now you can see your private account option and make sure this is toggled on. Now if you toggled off, then everyone will have access to your following list and your post. If you toggle this on, however, your non-followers or the users that don't follow you will not be able to look at your followers and following list and your post too. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.